So let's start this from maximum z is equal to 8 11x plus 8y. So this is called as the objective function, and these are called as the constraints. This shows that the region lies in the first quadrant. Region lies in the first quadrant. So we take three parameters. The first parameter is given inequalities. The given inequalities. Now when I look at the given inequalities, the given inequalities are, there are three over here. X is less than equal to 4. Second is y is less than equal to 6. And third is x plus y less than equal to 6. So there are three inequalities over here. So the corresponding equalities x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6, and x plus y is equal to 6. These are called as the corresponding equalities. Now what we do over here is we take the point on the, I want to draw this now. So I go for point on x axis, point on y axis. So you go for point on x axis, point on y axis. So when I go for point on x axis and point on y axis, let's see what happens. So over here, if I go for point on x axis, the point on x axis will be y0, I get point on x axis. So if I put y0, there is no y over here. So I can directly say 4, 0. So understand one thing, if there is only one variable, then the line will be parallel to the axis. The line will be either parallel to x axis or the line will be parallel to y. So this line will not have any point on the axis, because this line, if I draw this line, let's see how this line will be. So ठीक है, चालेल एकच थोडं 2 मिनिटात करतो तुम्ही. Okay, let's see this. So we were on 4, 0. There will be no point on the y-axis. Let's try to draw this now. When I try to draw this, this is x, this is y. So this is 0, this is, okay, you have 6 now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you want to, the first point is 4, 0. The first point is 4, 0. So any point on the x axis will have y0. So this is 4, 0. Now understand one thing. X is equal to 4 is a line. X equal to 4 is a line which passes through x axis and from 4. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Same way, if I check this, y is equal to 6. So it will pass through, it will not touch the x axis, it will be 0, 6. Y is equal to 6. So this line is y is equal to 6 and this line is x is equal to 4. Is that clear? This line. So this is 0, 6. As I told you earlier, this lines will be parallel to x axis because it has only one variable, x, and here y. But this has two variables, so this line will never be parallel to x or y axis. This line will never be parallel. This is again very simple. If I put y is equal to 0, x is 6, and if I put x is equal to 0, y is 6. So the answer is 0, 6, 0 and 0, 6. So if I draw a line through this 6, 0 and 0, 6, let's see what we get. 6, 0 and 0, 6. This is the line that I get. This line is x plus y is equal to 6. Now this line is x plus y is equal to 6. Now let me go for the origin test. So how do I do origin test? In the origin test, I will go for 0, 0. If I put 0 less than equal to 4, 0 less than 4, is it 0 less than 4? No. Yes, 0 is less than 4. So answer is true. True is origin side. We go for the origin side. So the region we go for is origin side. Region is origin side. Same way I put over here 0, 0 over here. 0 less than equal to 6. 0 less than 6. Yes. True. True origin side. Region is origin side. Same way if I go for 0, 0 over here. 0, 0, 0 plus 0 less than equal to 6. 0 less than 6. Yes. True. True origin side. When I go for origin side, all the origin side. Let's see how to get all origin side. Let's see this carefully. The first line is this. It says go towards the origin. The second line says go towards the origin, and the third line also says go towards the origin. So if I try to draw this, I'll get the region this way. Below this, and okay. So this is the region that I'll get. So this is the feasible region that you will find, and now I will find the corner points and I'll substitute. So this is O, this is O, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So OA, what is B? Can I get B over here? Okay, I can solve them simultaneously. Okay, so simple what I do, I put 4 over here. Check. If I put x is equal to 4 over here, y will be 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. You can also see this point from the graph. You will get it 4, 2 from the graph also. You check it on the graph, you will find this is exactly 4, 2. So I am getting how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll go for the vertex. First is 0, 0. Let's say origin. O, A, B, C. A is 4, 0. B is 4, 2, and C is 0, 6. So this is Z is equal to 11 into 0 plus 8 into 0. 11 into 4 plus 8 into 11 goes up. 11 into 4 plus 8 into 2. 11 to the 44. 40 plus 16.
44 plus 16,
60, correct? 11 into 0 plus 8 into 6. 8 6 the maximum value is
60.
So maximum value is 60, which occurs at
X equal to 4.
when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4. That's it. So maximum value occurs when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4.